Very, very difficult.
What will be next? Move to where? Which country you will be moved to?
That is a great question. Anywhere, anywhere that will have me. At the moment it's very, very slow work-wise. So trying to
Uh-huh.
find a job can be very difficult, and so I'm hoping that something will come up. Maybe somewhere in Europe, in southern Europe, somewhere where the weather is a little bit nicer. Maybe not as nice as where you live, because obviously it's very green there and lots of sun and maybe a bit of rain, but lots of sun. Where in Europe, because we are coming to the winter months, I want to make sure I would like to be somewhere with some sun, just a little bit.
Are you going to Russia?
I have been to Russia, not maybe for the winter because the winter is very cold. I went in the summer and it
Yeah,
was
yeah.
it was hot, but not for the winter. No, I would need a very good job
Yeah,
to go to the winter. Yeah.
yeah, sure. The lot of people, the Cambly teachers also working in as a teacher in South Asian country. The Cambodia, Vietnam,
Yes.
and Laos. Are you like going there?
Maybe with this situation, maybe I will join them. Yeah, there are many teachers living in that area, isn't?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I understand it because it is a very beautiful place and it's very cheap to live. Yeah, so maybe
Yes.
you know.
The Philippines, the South Asian countries, the living cost is very low.
Yes, very, very low. Yeah, which is really good.
Also, the beautiful countries.
Definitely, yeah. I mean, like, you have lovely weather. Okay, maybe it might rain a lot in some countries. So, for example, Cambodia, it's very rainy, and then that can be frustrating, you know. But but yeah, like it's okay. I think I'm sure it's not like too bad. Sure, but yeah, it's a good place, isn't it? It's a very good place. I think. Yeah, I can imagine. And
Yeah.
what about?
Can you
Yeah,
can you
please.
please explain how to the build up the vocabulary,
Yeah,
and can you I want to speak more fluently and more confidently in
yeah, of
English.
course. The,
So please advise
yeah,
me.
no problem. I would say the key is you need to be speaking. Like the more you speak, the more confident you will feel, which is frustrating because obviously people just want a magical fix,
Yeah.
but unfortunately, it's more
Mhm.
speak, speak, speak. Um, that's the important
Yeah.
thing.
Okay, I need to I need to practice more and more, but I need to the more words. I want to speak 1 hour, 2 hour. I didn't get the different vocabulary. I can't speak,
Yeah,
but I built up
yeah,
my
that's fine.
vocabulary. How?
Okay, I would say that the key is probably to read lots of different sources. So, for example, yeah,
Yeah, reading
yeah,
anything.
yeah, definitely. If you can read maybe the news, you read a story, you maybe read different types of news. So, for example, sports, politics, things like this. That is the best way to increase your vocabulary, really. If you don't understand a word, write
Yes,
it
Abdul.
down, then like practice with it, and just to make it real, so that it's easy for you. That's the best way, I would say, the best way. Yeah.
Have been visit in Tamil
Yeah, well,
Nadu
I've
you?
been to Chennai. I have been to Chennai. Yeah,
Yeah, good,
interesting place.
nice.
Very busy.
When?
Are you from Chennai or are you from a different place?
Yes. Yeah, I'm from 300
Okay,
kilometer
so for
from
India,
Chennai.
that's really is, and I think that's like quite a nice.
Time
Yeah, it
is
is.
very
Yeah,
good.
unfortunately, we are running out of time. So thank you so much for calling me, Mohammed. Yeah, I
We'll
want to
meet
speak again. It'd be great.
you.
Okay, see you soon. Bye bye. Have a good day.
Thank you.